At first glance, this prototype looks almost too familiar, which immediately raises the question of why Mercedes would deliberately step away from its bold electric design language just a few years after betting so heavily on it. Fresh spy photos circulating online reveal what appears to be a new Mercedes-Benz electric sedan that quietly signals a major shift in strategy. Instead of chasing futuristic curves and dramatic silhouettes, this upcoming model leans heavily into classic sedan proportions, the kind that longtime E-Class buyers instantly recognize. That decision alone says more than any press release ever could. The new model is widely expected to be called the Mercedes-Benz E-Class with EQ technology, aligning it with the recently revealed GLC with EQ technology rather than continuing with the standalone EQE nameplate. That move is not accidental. The EQE, introduced in 2021, struggled to resonate with traditional luxury sedan buyers, largely due to its unconventional shape and design priorities. Mercedes has clearly taken that feedback seriously. Judging by the prototypes, the electric E-Class looks almost indistinguishable from a combustion engine E-Class at first glance. The hood, roofline, and overall stance appear familiar and reassuring. The biggest visual changes seem to be concentrated at the front, where a unique grille treatment and star-inspired daytime running lights are expected to give it a distinct electric identity without overwhelming the design. From the side, closer inspection reveals subtle but important differences. The rear doors are noticeably longer, and an extra rear quarter window hints at a stretched wheelbase similar to the long wheelbase E-Class models sold in China. This suggests a strong focus on rear passenger comfort, something E-Class buyers have always valued. The rear of the vehicle remains heavily camouflaged, making it difficult to identify final taillight shapes. However, temporary lighting elements suggest a departure from the standard E-Class design, likely borrowing styling cues from the electric GLC to visually tie the new generation of electric models together. Under the skin, this new sedan will ride on the MB.EA modular electric platform, a dedicated architecture designed specifically for next-generation electric vehicles. It uses an 800-volt electrical system, allowing for faster charging and improved efficiency. That same platform already underpins the GLC with EQ technology, which offers a dual motor setup producing up to 360 kilowatts, equivalent to 490 horsepower, and 800 newton meters of torque. If Mercedes carries over similar powertrain options, the electric E-Class could offer performance that comfortably matches or exceeds its combustion counterparts. The GLC with EQ technology is rated for up to 713 kilometers of driving range under the Worldwide Harmonized Light Vehicles Test Procedure Cycle, which suggests this sedan could be one of the most usable long-distance electric luxury cars in its class. What makes this model especially important is not just what it is, but what it represents. Mercedes appears to be acknowledging that electric luxury does not need to look radical to feel advanced. Sometimes, familiarity is the most powerful innovation of all. The official debut is expected in 2027, and if these early signs are accurate, this electric E-Class could be the model that finally bridges the gap between traditional luxury buyers and the electric future.